Let me show you how to create this mask effect in Photoshop. Start by choosing the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. No stroke color. Choose any fill color. Hold Alt and drag down to make a curved corner. Hold Alt and drag up to make a curved corner. Now choose the Move tool. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Do the same thing multiple times. Follow this process. Hold Shift and select all of these rectangles. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Let's rename this layer. Press Ctrl-T and rotate it 45 degrees. Now drag your photo to Photoshop. Scale it while holding the Shift button. Adjust it accordingly. Right-click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust its position accordingly. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Thanks for your support.